Today, I'm going to show you how to make sauteed cabbage in the Instant Pot. Let's do it.
Hey, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. I love having fun in the kitchen cooking using my Instant Pot, the air fryer, sous vide, my Vitamix, even my oven. I enjoy doing DIY projects, especially soaping. I enjoy traveling and all kinds of things. So come and join me.
I have the Instant Pot turned on saute. I'm going to put a tablespoon of real butter in there and 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. I've already washed my cabbage. Now we're going to slice it. Much better. This is a knife by Cut, K-U-T-T. Start putting it in. Now I'm going to add salt and pepper. Can you see inside there? We'll let it sit for a couple of minutes, stir it once in a while, and let it get that crispy, soft goodness. Okay, my friend, it is ready. So we're gonna add a secret ingredient to it. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Now for a taste test. Wow. That is so good. You can eat it without the apple cider vinegar, but the apple cider vinegar just gives it just that extra little kick to it that is so good. If you don't have an Instant Pot, no worries, cook it on the stove top. But I will leave a link down below where you can get an Instant Pot. I use mine all the time. If you see, I've got 2, and I use them both.
Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.